Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 5th standard. In the previous session, I have discussed about the main components of Scratch such as Stage, Sprite, Sprite Info Pane, Cursor Tools, etc. Today I am going to discuss that how you can create a new sprite using Paint Editor, how you can import a sprite, saving a sprite and moving a sprite. So students, open page number 74 of your book. Our first topic is creating a new sprite using Paint Editor. Steps to create a new sprite using Paint Editor are: first step is click on Start button, arrow Scratch tool. Second step is click on the Paint New Sprite button. And third step is use the bitmap tools to draw a sprite. Now I am going to show you practically that how you can create your own sprite. To create a new sprite, click on the Paint New Sprite button. After clicking on the Paint New Sprite button, costume window appears where you can draw and paint your own sprite. These all are the bitmap tools. Using these tools, you can draw a sprite. And this is the canvas. So I'm going to make a smiley face as a sprite. So I'm taking the ellipse tool, that is the oval tool. Click on the ellipse tool, move to the canvas and hold and drag the mouse. For the eyes, again I am taking the ellipse tool. For the nose, again I am taking the ellipse tool. And for the smiley also. Next, I am going to fill color in this smiley face. So to fill the color, click on Fill with Color tool. Choose the color from this color palette and click inside the shape that you have drawn. For the eyes, I am taking black color. For the nose, red. So in this way, you can create your own sprite. The new sprite appears on the stage and also gets added to the sprite list. Now students, again come to page number 74. Our next topic is to import a sprite. First step is click on Start button, arrow Scratch tool. Second is click on Costumes tab. Third is click on the Import button. After clicking on the Import button, the Select Files to Upload by Scratch.swf dialog box appears. Fourth step is select a file, and fifth step is click on the open button. If you do not want to draw your own sprite, you can import a sprite from your computer also. So let's do it practically. Now I am going to show you the steps that how you can import a sprite. So to import a sprite, first step is click on the Costumes tab. Click on the Import button. Now this is the Select Files to Upload by App Scratch.swf dialog box. Now select the sprite you want to insert and click on Open button. You can increase or decrease the size of the sprite by dragging its resizing handles. Now the sprite will be added on the stage. So these are the steps that how you can import a sprite from your computer. Now let's save a sprite. Steps to save a sprite are: first step is click on File tab. Second step is click on Save option. Save Project dialog box will appear. Now here type the file name. Suppose I am typing the file name here is Scratch Project. After typing the file name, you can choose the location where you want to save your file and click on the Save button. So the name of the sprite will appear above the stage. Now let's revise the steps to save a sprite. So come to page number 74. So the steps to save a sprite are: click on Start button, arrow scratch to. Second is click on File tab. Third is select the Save option. Fourth step is type the file name. And the last step, that is step number 5th, is click on the Save button. Come to the next topic, that is moving a sprite. All the instructions related to the movement of sprite are given under the motion block menu. So students, before creating our first Scratch project to move the sprite in circular motion, let us know about the motion blocks. So let us understand the use of the motion blocks which we are going to use in our project. So the first command is move 20 steps. This block moves the sprite 20 steps in the forward direction. We can also change the number of steps according to our requirement. To move the sprite in backward direction, type the number with the preceding minus sign. For example, minus 20. Next command is turn 15 degrees. This block is used to turn the sprite in clockwise direction. To turn the sprite in anti-clockwise direction, use turn 15 degrees block with the opposite direction of arrow. Now let me show you that how you can create your Scratch project to move the sprite in circular motion. For this, again open your Scratch window. So these are the blocks which comes under the motion block. Now click on the move 10-step block and drag it to the scripts area. Change the step number from 10 to 20 by typing in the number box. Click on the block. You will notice that the sprite moves the specified number of steps. Now click on the turn 15 degrees block, drag and drop it on the script area. Place it below the move 20 steps block. Keep clicking on any block in the scripts area. Observe that the sprite is moving 20 steps forward and turning 15 degrees in a circular motion on the stage. So when you will keep clicking on any block in the script area, the sprite will perform the action on the stage. So students, today I have discussed about creating a new sprite using Paint Editor, to import a sprite, saving a sprite, and we have also created one project on moving a sprite. So students, do reading of pages 74 and 75 and try to make a project of moving a sprite in Scratch. Thank you.